Welcome to Auto Ravrange, your go-to destination for the latest updates and insights in the automotive world. In today's video, we are diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Honda Active Socata, a vehicle that promises to set new standards in its segment. Whether you are a fan of Honda or simply love staying updated with the newest models on the market, this video will give you all the details you need to know about the new Honda Active Socata. The 2025 Honda Active Socata has been designed with a perfect balance of performance, technology, and comfort. Honda has really outdone itself by integrating advanced features and a sleek design, catering to the needs of modern drivers. The exterior design of the new Active Socata is bold and dynamic, with sharp lines and a sporty feel. The front fascia features a more aggressive grille, and the LED headlamps are not only stylish but also offer excellent visibility, making night drives safer and more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Active Socata comes with an upgraded engine that delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The engine has been optimized for fuel efficiency while still providing the torque and acceleration that makes it a fun car to drive. Honda has also introduced hybrid variants of the Socata, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. These hybrid models offer improved fuel economy and lower emissions, which will appeal to environmentally conscious drivers. When it comes to comfort and interior design, the Active Socata does not disappoint. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials used throughout. The seats are designed to offer maximum comfort on long trips, and the cabin is equipped with advanced noise-cancelling technology, providing a peaceful driving environment. The dashboard features a modern touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier to stay connected while on the go. Honda has also included a fully digital instrument cluster, giving the driver clear and easily accessible information at all times. Safety is another area where the 2025 Honda Active Socata excels. The vehicle comes with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide enhanced driver assistance and ensure a safer driving experience, whether in city traffic or on the highway. Honda has also made significant strides in enhancing the driving dynamics of the Active Socata. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. The handling is responsive, making the Active Socata a joy to drive in both urban and rural settings. Overall, the 2025 Honda Active Socata is a fantastic vehicle that blends style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a vehicle for family trips, or something that makes a statement on the road, the Active Socata is worth considering. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Auto Ravrange. We bring you the latest car reviews, features, and news, so don't miss out on our upcoming content. Thanks for